Hi everyone, welcome to the week 2 of Origami Online. My name is Mizuho. I am a library officer at Kingston Libraries. This week, we'll be making an origami frog. It's not just a frog. This frog can actually jump. Let me show you what I mean. Alright, let's get started. First, we are going to place the paper with the white side facing up. Then go ahead and fold the paper in half so the bottom edge of the paper meets the top edge of the paper. Open the paper and fold it in half again, but this time bring the left edge towards the right edge of the paper. Then fold the top edge of the paper down towards the center. Now go ahead and fold the top left corner diagonally to form a triangle shape. Repeat the same step on the other side. Then, follow the creases you have just made and press the right edge of the paper down towards the center. Then go ahead and repeat the same step on the left side. Flatten the paper completely. You should see a triangle shape. Fold the bottom edge up towards the base of the triangle. Then fold the right edge towards the center. Tuck the paper behind the triangle. Repeat the step on the left side. Again, fold the bottom edge up towards the base of the triangle. Fold the top left corner of the paper down towards the bottom to form a triangle. Repeat the same step on the other side. Now pull the inner layer of the flaps outwards. Then go ahead and bring the right corner of the flap downwards. Repeat the step on the left. Now it's time to create the legs of the frog. Fold the top left corner up diagonally to make a front leg. Repeat the step on the left. Now fold the flaps on the bottom down to make back legs. Then fold the bottom edge up towards the center. Now take the same edge downwards and fold it in half. You can now draw eyes to finish your origami frog. Once you are done making a few frogs, you can have a race to see which frog can jump the furthest. I hope you had lots of fun playing with origami. Don't forget to share your origami vlog on our Kingston Creators Facebook page. I'm looking forward to seeing what you've made. See you next week.